Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to trick to read WhatsApp messages without opening the app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, press and hold your finger on the home screen for a while. You can see that four options. Select them with get option. Tap on this. After that, you can select any option, but now you select WhatsApp. Tap on your WhatsApp. You can see here this option. Tap on this. Tap on add. You can see that your WhatsApp more option. You can see that your message on delivery, and now you can see that new message will appear on your display. Here you can see the message that the sender has sent, but the sender will not understand. Now tap on this. You can see here your another person SMS. Hopefully your problem solved successfully. If we found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys.